guys, I'm Idiot 1.
And I'm Me2.
And I'm E3.
And in today's video, we're going to Dairy Queen and asking for a nothing blizzard.
That's right, nothing!
So with that being said, let's get on with the video.
Nothing!
The plan.
Idiot 1, 2, and 3 will leave Idiot 2's house and go to Dairy Queen. Then Idiot 2 will go into Dairy Queen and ask for the nothing blizzard.
So we're walking to Dairy Queen right now. Beavis, stop!
Beavis.
Shut up, Beavis. Alright, so we're walking to Dairy Queen right now. We're gonna be there in a minute. Bye.
It's coming, it's coming.
God, please have a nothing blizzard. I'm on a diet, so just nothing at all. Not even a cup, just nothing. I guess please.
What do you want me to do?
You don't have to do anything.
What's wrong? You don't have it now?
No.
Oh, okay.
Here's a tip. You want it? Thank you, sir. Alright guys, we got the blizzard right here. The flavor's nothing, I'm gonna try it. It's pretty good. It kind of tastes like